Okay. All right. The next song we're going to do today is Three Little Birds, a song that Bob Marley did. I'm not sure if he wrote it or not. I think he did, but he definitely performed it. Great little song. It's a happy song. Goes well with the ukulele. The strumming in this, we're going to do a little differently. Mary and I are going to do the same thing on this drum. And I use this drum to develop muscle memory for more advanced strums. Because what we do on this is a mute, where you actually slap the strings, and then from that position with your hand resting on the strings, pull up. So it's a mute, pull, mute, pull, mute, pull, mute, pull. Because this is a reggae song, or the way Bob Marley did it, there's a heavy influence on the backbeat. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And that can kind of throw you off. So we're going to put down a bass track along with this on the recording, with the bass on the beat, to kind of help keep you kind of in line and on the right track, because it can just be difficult coming in on that and, because that's really what the strum is on the and. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And. Okay, so simple chords. We got a C chord, F chord, and a G chord. That's it. Again, this music is available in a PDF file at Lollipop Music's Facebook page. So we're going to take this kind of slow, real simple and slow. It's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Oh, intro. We're going to do singing Don't Worry About a Thing, because every little thing's going to be all right. That's the intro. So it's 4 measures. It's a C twice, then an F, and then a C. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Here we go.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. 3 little birds doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Right. Everything's gonna be alright. Good song for these current times, isn't it?
Yep.
All right. Hope you all enjoyed it.